Hi everybody, this is Katie Shepard again from the Student Health Center, and today I am going to make another egg recipe. This is going to be scrambled eggs in the microwave. And you might think, scrambled eggs in the microwave? Yes, it works out perfectly every time. And I developed this recipe because so many people, including myself, struggle with breakfast in the morning. We wake up too late, we're in a rush, and everybody just needs more ideas for quick, healthy, easy breakfasts. And this really comes together in about 5 minutes. So let's get started. So in order to make this dish, you'll need 1 egg beaten in a microwave safe bowl, some bread for toasting, spinach, and then a little bit of butter and salt and pepper. And we're gonna start off by taking the egg and microwaving it for about 30 seconds. Okay, so my bread is toasted, and I'm going to just put a little bit of butter on that. And then put my spinach on. That's quite a lot of spinach, isn't it? Okay, and then there is my egg that I just microwaved for 30 seconds. And then it's all nice and fluffy. Break it up a little bit. A little bit of salt. Maybe some pepper. And there you have it. Super easy breakfast in just a few minutes. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this breakfast video. If you need any more ideas on healthy eating or have any questions or concerns, the dietitians at the health center are here for you. You can schedule an appointment online or call for a virtual appointment. All right, now remember, Hoosiers, if you're gonna head out there, stay safe, mask up, okay? We're all in this together. Until next time.